Hey, what's up guys, Iman here, Monster Gadgets, and today's video we're going to go ahead and install some new all-weather floor mats for the 2023 Model S Plaid. I just took delivery of this day before yesterday. Obviously it comes with the normal floor mats, but we're going to go ahead and make sure we protect it properly and install the all-season ones. Not from Tesla, there's another company called Octomo, and of course I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description below. This is not a sponsored video by them, it's simply something that I'm trying out from a different provider myself. But let's go ahead and open this up, take out the floor mats that came with it, and install the all-weather liners. Alright, so here's the box that it comes in. It's a normal, ordinary, plain box. We're going to go ahead and cut this open. Alright, so this is a 6-piece unit. Piece number 1. That's going to be for the rear passenger. Piece number 2, that's going to be for the trunk. Number 3, the deeper part of the trunk, I believe, or possibly the frunk. Floor, another frunk piece. That looks like a passenger. And the driver. So let's go ahead and install one by one. Let's start with the driver one. Or let's see, I think it's driver one. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and install this on top of factory one. So let's see what it's like. Normally it's recommended you remove the factory one before you install it, but I want to just test and see what this is like and how it sits, which right now it looks like it sits pretty well. So that is the driver's side. Let's go with the passenger side next. These look pretty good. I mean, I've had similar ones for my Model 3 from different manufacturer, but they look like they're pretty good quality so far. Okay, there goes the passenger side. That looks good. Nice fit to it. Let's go ahead and do the rear passenger. So I've already had my kids in the back, so I'm curious to know how much debris there might be already, which right now I am actually going to dinner with them again. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this over the little bit of the debris that's in there, and I will vacuum later on. I just don't want to get it any dirtier. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, put this in each of the grooves. This one is a little trickier. Okay, so it was actually getting stuck more so on the inside here and there. So I just put my hand in there and made it fit. Let's check out the other side. Got a nice lip here to cover the top. I don't know if they make anything to cover the Alcantara corners here, because I can see how this could potentially get dirty, like this part right here. So I'll have to check and see. If you know anything about it, drop it in the description below. But I'm gonna have to check and see what I can do to possibly cover that. Just, I know the kids are gonna step on it and it's gonna get dirty. That's a bird up there that you guys hear. Anyways, that's that. Let's do the trunk next. Now this one is not as hard of a case. I don't know why. The material seems to be a bit different. It's more flimsy, I guess is the right word. Let's take a look and see how this fits inside. This piece itself has got a little bit of a smell to it, like a plasticky smell. Otherwise, yeah, I mean, it fits well. Let me take a look at this because I don't really use the bottom part, but I guess they did make it to where it's accessible, and that might be why they made this different material, so you can actually get into the back of your trunk if you wanted to, because it's easier to get into it with this in place. But I mean, that's what that looks like. Covers all the angles. I mean, the lips, I should say, that covers the sides. And this, I'm assuming, will sit down with some time. Alright, that looks good. And now, so I missed the bottom part, so I guess there's two. There's one for the frunk and one for the bottom part of the trunk. That's part of this piece, so yeah, it is. So let's go back over there again. Same thing with this one. This is a different material than the front one. And actually, I just realized one thing. So this one, not only is a different material, but the pattern on this is a bit different compared to the pattern on that. It's the same design, because it's got like the line or whatnot here. So maybe not. I mean, it looks different because the material is different, so that's interesting to do that. Alright. I'm gonna have to remove my mobile charger, put this in, see which way it goes. I don't think it goes all the way. This doesn't fit right. Unless I'm putting in the front piece. I don't think so. So I guess like that. Not bad. I don't like that piece. But let's see what the front is like. And like I said, it's got a bit of a grease to it. Let me open up the frunk. You guys see that? The oil thing that I was talking about? It's got a little bit of oil to it. I'm not sure exactly why that is, but nonetheless, it does. I don't even use the frunk that much, but because this comes with that piece, we'll go ahead and use it. This is my license plate that I have not attached yet. It just says Model S. Oh, that actually looks pretty nice. Not sure if I'll use it, but once I get my plates, we'll see. The adapter is here as well. Put that in the trunk later. But yeah, that's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and close this. That, ladies and gentlemen, is install of these floor mats. I will certainly keep you updated on how well they perform and if I'm actually going to keep these or not, or return them once I actually use them with my kids in here and myself. So more to come on that. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Get up, get up.